Hey guys, I'll explain you how to remove gear shifter knob 2020 to 2024 Nissan version. Okay, so you don't have to touch this. All you have to do, the easiest way, if you put it on L, if you switch the gear shift to L, you have more space. Then you have to push this string down, and on the front there's this clip. You have to take out this pin. Once you take it out, you're gonna be able to pull it out. So have it like this. Push this plastic down from the front, access this pin, pull it out, and then you'll be able to pull this thing up. Alright, hope it helps someone. Good luck, guys.